Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger video call not showing. If you're using Messenger and your Messenger video call is not showing, so let's see how can you fix that issue. You just have to simply open up your settings. In settings, just go for notifications. But first of all, you have to make sure that your phone is not on do not disturb mode. So you must have to scroll down your quick settings, and from here you have to look for do not disturb mode, and once you get, you must have to disable that. And once you have disabled, you just have to go back, or it might be that your problem might be fixed, because sometimes your if your sleep mode or do not disturb mode is enabled, so you cannot get any of notifications. So once you have disabled do not disturb, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, you have to open notifications, then go for messenger setting app, and once you get messenger, simply tap on it, and from here you have to make sure that you have enabled all the toggles from here. Once you have that, you just have to go back, and now you have to open your messenger. If you are still having the same issue, now what you have to do, you have to simply select the specific chat from which you're not receiving any type of video call. So you must have to tap on the profile icon, and from here you have to look for the notification option. And once you get the notification, you have to tap on it, and from here you have to make sure that you haven't enabled mute notifications. If you have enabled, you have to simply disable that. And once you have disabled, you just have to go back, and now you can easily get all of the video and audio calls from the person. So in this way you can easily fix that the video call of Facebook Messenger is not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.